Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Jake Tapper, the award-winning journalist and CNN anchor known for his sharp interviews and political reporting. But lately, some people online have been wondering, is Jake Tapper gay? Let's take a closer look at the facts. Jake Tapper is one of the most recognizable faces in American journalism. He's been with CNN for years, hosting The Lead with Jake Tapper and co-anchoring State of the Union. Known for his tough but fair interview style, Tapper has covered major stories from the White House to war zones, earning respect across the political spectrum. Questions about Tapper's sexuality mainly come from internet speculation and social media chatter. In today's culture, public figures often become the subject of rumors, and journalists are no exception. Some online users have taken note of his advocacy for equality and respect toward the LGBTQ+ community, and misinterpreted that as a sign of his orientation. However, that's purely speculation. Is Jake Tapper gay? No, Jake Tapper is not gay. He has never identified as such, and he's been married to his wife, Jennifer Marie Brown, since 2006. The couple shares 2 children together. There's no credible information or statement suggesting he's anything other than straight. Jake Tapper remains one of the most respected figures in American journalism, known for professionalism, not personal controversy. While online rumors may come and go, the facts remain clear. He's a married man with a family, and the speculation about his sexuality is unfounded. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy factual breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.